Hey guys, so excuse the mess, but this is how the wig looks right now. So what I'm going to do is show you guys, kind of talk through it because it's hard for me to set my camera up where you can see me do it. But just show you guys how how everyone really gets that type of sleek like look. So what I'm going to be doing is, you guys see right now, I'm going to take my hot comb, just a regular hot comb, and I'm going to go over the whole frontal area, taking very small pieces. And I've done this in another video, but I'm just going to take really small pieces and hot comb the whole front area, and I will be back as soon as I get done. Okay, as you guys can see, I have done kind of half of the frontal piece, and I'm just taking small sections, and I'm using my hot comb and also some of that sleek edges. I'll leave it down in the description below to kind of give it that pressed out look, and you're going to do that over the whole frontal area. Alright, so guys, I have my whole hair, like everything wet. I have several videos on how to, you know, manipulate curly hair and my curly hair routine and everything like that. So I'm just gonna be, I'm trying out a new routine basically, and we'll kind of see how it goes because I picked up a product. I just basically go in stores and I get different stuff and try it out. So we're going to be trying out this one on camera. I've had it for a while. This is my first time using it. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so I thought that this was a totally different product, but this is like for like twist outs on natural hair and braid outs and stuff. So we're gonna see, you know, how it works with like curly type hair. Y'all know I love this. I like swear by this, but a lot of people say they can't find it or whatever the case may be. So we're gonna see if this works because Cream of Nature products are like everywhere. So I have started out with damp hair. It says you can start out with wet or dry hair, so we're doing it on damp hair. So right off the bat, this smells good. I kind of been playing with it. This smells real good, but yeah, it says smooths and controls flake free. So I'm hoping this, because it's a white gel, I'm hoping this does not flake my hair up. I'm gonna be like really teed off. So this is what it looks like milky. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in and put it over, and it's so thick. I'm gonna go in and just put it all over my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Erin has something in her throat. Anyways, let's get right into this hair. This hair comes from the company by the name of Wiggins. Let me show y'all. I kept a little tag. Now, I have reviewed this company once before, and if I can't remember, we know how Erin's memory is, I will try to link that video down below. The links that I have in this hair is, and I'm going to look on my phone so I won't get anything wrong, a 20-inch, a 22-inch, and my longest length is a 24. So 3 bundles, and I do have an 18-inch ear-to-ear frontal, okay? So I did bleach the knots on this frontal on top of adding makeup and powder to it too, okay? So I do both. I have been ranting about that in my other videos about how I do like both of the methods because it just works. On top of bleaching the knots, it really does get rid of those little black the knots. It bleaches those little black dots. Okay, so it gets rid of black dots, and then the makeup just pulls it all together. When you use face powder and foundation, it just, like I said, it just hugs everything and comes together. So it works. But yeah, this is what it all looks like put together. Okay, so I laid some baby hair. I know that some people do not like baby hairs, but you guys already know I'm a fan of baby hairs. Absolutely love it. I think it just brings the look all together, and it kind of gives you more natural feel. So this is what the hair looks like. Now the hair that I have, I think I have the natural wave. Okay, I will make sure I leave those links down below, because I'm not sure if it's natural or it's water. I think it is a natural wave hair. Now you guys already know I manipulated this hair. Yes, I did. Okay, because I love the wet look. I do have a new routine on the wet look though. I have something new that you can use that's easy, it's fast, and guess what? It's only one product. So it's only one product, so you don't have to worry about using like A through Z. Okay, you can just use one thing, and it was $5. Okay, gonna let you in on a secret. Don't tell anyone, but gonna tell you. So this is the product right here. I did show some clips of me and earlier clips of me using this product, but anyway, this is the product. Okay, it says it's like for natural hair or whatever the case may be, but it gave me this look right here, and I absolutely love it. My hair is completely dry. Okay, it is not wet, it is not damp, it is completely dry. Even though this stuff is like super freaking thick, like oh goodness, this stuff is so thick it doesn't make any sense. Okay, it does definitely work. So if you don't want to go through all of this and the mousse and this and the combing and brushing, you don't have to do that, sweet cheeks. All you gotta do is put this on, comb through your hair, scrunch it a little bit, forget about it. Okay, and it dries really fast in the hair. As far as it does say flake free and alcohol free or whatever, well, I'm getting a few flakes, girl, but it ain't nothing like crazy as far as like the white film. I'm not really experiencing that, and I would say it's a go. Okay, so I'm gonna find some links for that, and I'll link it down below too, because literally it's what made this hair what it was. You guys know that I transformed this hair. When you get this hair out of the bag, it's not gonna really look like this. It is kind of big. Even though I had 3 bundles, my hair was full. Okay, and I made this wig, by the way. I know sometimes people be like, did you receive the wig and did you make? I made this wig, handmade. Okay, no sewing machine, no that, handmade wig. Okay, I just received the bundles. So anyways, you guys know that it did, well, I'm gonna tell you guys, it didn't come like this. Okay, so you don't think you're gonna get it out the pack and it's gonna look like this, because it's not. I manipulated it to this wet curly look, because you guys know that I love this wet curly look. Now if you would like the way that it came, it's a little bit bigger, and it has like waves in it. Okay, and I just, y'all know, I like to switch it up, change the game. Okay, so yeah, and I also know that you guys like this look too, so I figure I'll show you guys how to do it. And literally all I did was just pull the top up and just a little ponytail. I didn't do anything special when it came to that aspect. It didn't add in any hair up there or anything. I literally just took it and just put it in a ponytail just to give me like a fun, flirty like look. And that's what we're looking like. Now, I haven't received a whole lot of shedding. Now, this is wavy hair, wavy / curly hair. Okay, I've had a little bit of shedding, but as far as globs or anything, no. Like it just hasn't been anything excessive. Very seldom will I complain about shedding with hair, because of the simple fact all hair does shed unless it's just excessive and I just don't know what to do. Okay, and I'm just like, hey. You know what I'm saying? And I will, of course, let you guys know and let you see or whatever. But I really haven't been receiving a whole lot of shedding. Now, on the maintenance scale, this hair is not a lot of maintenance, okay? Now, that's one thing I like about it. But y'all know wavy hair already isn't a lot of maintenance. Like, that's why I love it. I would rather wavy hair over, like, kinky curly hair. And I say this all the time. I'm kind of redundant. But I would rather wavy hair over kinky curly hair, because it's just a lot easier. Like, it just... you wet it and go. Okay, so that's how this hair was. I literally got my whole head wet. Okay, I would say if you can, wash the wig instead of going in with a spray bottle, because it just saves time. But whatever, you can go in with a spray bottle. But I did wet the whole head. I did saturate the whole head with water, and then that's when I went in with this, and I just put that on while I got ready, and I let it dry, and then I literally this is what I got. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like right here. Now the frontal, you are gonna have to do some customization to the frontal. So no, you're not gonna get your frontal and it's not gonna look like this. Come with the baby hairs and it's gonna be ready to put on. No ma'am, it's not. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. But it wasn't a lot of like plucking, but you are going to have to pluck. Like it's not gonna be like this, sister. So keep that in mind, which that's with most wigs and frontals, you are gonna have to pluck. But like I said, on the maintenance scale, it's not a lot of maintenance, and this is a 24-inch on me. Okay, so let me put it all to the back. Let me kind of stand up. All right, so that is what the hair looks like. It falls super long on me, guys. I'm 5'7", okay? So this hair falling super long on me. This 24-inch, okay? So yeah, this is definitely probably gonna be my birthday hair. Birthday, November 28th. Okay, jot it down. But anyways, guys, I'm not gonna make this too long. If you would like to check out the company, hey, I'll leave links down below. Also, like I said, I would try to leave my last video from Wiggins Hair Company down below and just check them out. They have affordable pricing. They have affordable pricing, and on top of that, it's pretty good customer service. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this company before. If you plan on trying this company, do you like my hair, girl? Because y'all know I don't never really do these half up, half down styles, but I'm trying to switch it up. I'm trying to do something different. I'm not trying to keep looking the same, you know what I'm saying? So let me know what you think about my hair, and if you would plan on purchasing it, and was this video helpful for you? I tried to make it in a way to where I walked you all kind of through the steps of it so you all can get the same look that I got. So yeah, like I said, let's discuss in the comments, and you already know. I'll see you in my next one.